Welcome to Introduction to Photoshop. I'm the instructor for this class, Marty Pfeiffer, and let's go over how to work in Canvas to make this class work for you. So first off, this is the home screen where you're probably seeing this video. To access the course content, we're going to click on Modules. Now, if you don't see these links on the side, it's probably because they've been collapsed. So you would just click on these three lines here, and then it should appear. And click on Modules. Now, at the top, we have these Module 0 Administrivia. It's where you can see this page again. Also, some information about how to get access to Photoshop on your own computer at home. You can also, of course, use Photoshop on our lab computers at the college, or you can buy access to Photoshop for 6 months or 12 months through a special deal that the college has arranged. We're going to be occasionally posting images to a discussion post, and we don't want you to submit the PSD files. We want you to submit like a JPEG. So here are some instructions on how to do that. And I will link to this page on every discussion post. Also, the syllabus is here, and my hours when I am available in the Valencia TLC. Now, getting started, in Module 1, you'll see we have this little requirement here, complete all items. Okay, I guess I better pay attention to that. So that means we need to go through all of these, and then there's a graded activity at the bottom. And how this is set up is we have our first page here. I would just click on that and then view that page and then go on to the next page, go on to the next one, the next one. And as you'll see, you click on one page, you don't have to go back out to the modules. At the bottom of the screen, there's a next button there, and that'll just take you to the next page. Okay, so right now we've gone through 2 pages of this module. Let's go back out and see what has changed. You'll notice that we have little check marks here by these 2 pages that we've actually looked at and completed. Now we have something here, an activity, creating a new Photoshop file. All right. And basically we just want to, go through these videos, and if there are little exercises for you to do, go ahead and do those as well. Anytime you need to work with file, I will have it on each individual page, and you can download it right there. So for instance, this one has a file that I want you to download, and it's just right underneath the video. So go ahead and grab that. So most of the course content is contained in videos. Sometimes this text is just mirroring what we have in the video. It's just there to cover all our bases. And then how the sausage is made, part 3. Okay, that sounds like we're nearing the end of this module. All right, and now we get to our first assignment for this. I'm recording this before the class, so this topic is locked until October 14th at 12 a.m. Okay, that's actually tomorrow. Anyway, you will be able to access this. This is just a discussion post, so go ahead and do this. I need to get kind of a roll call of who's in the class, and the way to do that, I'd need to do that in the first week. So if you can reply to this roll call after you've gone through all this learning materials, then we will get you fully locked into the class. If I don't see you in the roll call, I will have to drop you from the class. It's a legal requirement. If I can't show that a student has participated in the class, I need to drop them the first week. And that's basically how the first week is going to go. And then from there, just check the modules every week. There will usually be a new module opening on Sunday. And from there, you can work throughout the week. And assignments are generally due on Saturday.